Hello guys! Magandang buhay sa lahat! For today's videos, pupunta tayo sa Baywalk! Itutour namin kayo doon. Baywalk? Okay. Whatever! Baywalk or Baywalk! Let's go guys! Samahan nyo kami!
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep.
Hindi nakakaalam ng Baywalk dyan. So this is Baywalk or Bywalk, sabi nila. Ito na. Let's welcome my beautiful sister. Ayun, ginabi tayo, hindi masyadong ma-appreciate yung views kasi paggabi na. So guys, meet my family. This is all my family.
A head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance.
Come, come, come.